Alright, what is up everybody? Hey, it's More Sports bringing you guys another video. Today we got my boy's brand new Banshee that we picked up. So what we've done to it so far is clean the carburetor. We synced the carbs as well, put new spark plugs. What else we do to this? Leak down test. It does have a small leak on the right side. We're gonna be ordering those parts, but we took it for a quick little rib and we noticed that as you can tell, it's not coming back up. So it's basically getting stuck. What we believe it is damn, my fucking book closed. All right guys, so as I was saying, we believe it's gonna be this spring here. So you guys can see this spring right here. So if you guys are working on Banshees, I definitely advise to get the manual. Definitely helps out. Videos on YouTube can only help you so much, except for Ace Motorsports, so go ahead and subscribe for the best content. Yes sir. But like I was saying, we believe it's either gonna be poly came off or something, because it's not coming back up. So on regularly it should pop back up. Let me show you guys on my Banshee. So when you go in gear, go down and look, it comes back up, right? Go back in neutral, down, comes back up. This Banshee is staying down. So what we're actually going to be doing right now is taking the right case cover completely apart and seeing what's in there. As of now, we've taken out the coolant, then we got to take out the freshly put in gear oil that we just put in not too long ago. But it's all right, it's part of the game. My boy's finally in the Banshee game, so you know I'm gonna hook him up, help him out. We're both gonna learn and move forward. But yeah guys, that's what we're doing today. So you guys are having a problem similar to this. Let's see if we can resolve it together. All right, just go ahead. All kinds of good angles right there. All kinds of good content. Is that metal?
No, it's the gasket.
Alright, Sebas, did we go ahead and find out what's going on?
That shit came off.
What came off exactly? The spring?
We don't know until we look at the fucking thing right now.
Take this off real quick, get this gasket off. We don't need this gasket.
Bro, I'm gonna have to order a new...
You got it. Yeah, you gotta order a new.
Nah, I need to order a new clutch basket too.
Why?
Because I need to take the clutch basket off to get back there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that bolt came off. Right there.
Look at it right here.
That bolt right there, yup. Came off. It's broken. Someone fucking shifted hard as fuck and they broke that shit. Sheesh. Yes,
Oh.
Small fix, nothing big. Now
It's falling, look.
It's that fucking bolt right there. That's your problem right there.
Where's this? It's not, the spring's not engaged.
Yeah, it's not engaging.
Yeah. It's supposed to be right there. Look, bam, bam,
Yep.
bam.
And that helps it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your problem right there. It's in the book too, papa. Yep, that's it right there. So we're here working on this Banshee and why the shifter was staying down. You change gears. So we found this out. This bolt goes right there, and if you could see here, it is number 2. So it's number 2. When we opened it up, that part fell right out somewhere right there. There it is right there. So this part is number 2, 3, and 4. When we opened her up, this part fell right out. We found out that this bolt actually broke. As you can see, what this controls right here is your shifter. Let's see if I could do that. Okay, so you see how I go up and down. So once we fix that bolt, since it broke inside, we're gonna have to get it easy out and take it out forcibly. Pretty much. I'll say, welcome to the Banshee world, papa. But yeah, we're gonna take that off, and then once we do fix that, the spring will work and it'll pop back into the gear you're selecting. So yeah, guys, we figured it out, but now it's time to fix it.
Oh, you can see the whole thing, dude. Look at that shit.
Oh, you definitely see right there. So it's that bolt right there, guys. That shit's fucking hella long, dude.
Yep.
Yeah, that shit broke off because someone fucking shifted hard as fuck. That's my observations here. NASA. Fucking Elon Musk. Fucking Bill Gates. They all told me in our meeting last time. He told me don't be shifting hard as fuck because then you're gonna break this fucking bolt. Oops, sorry. You good? Get it right. You see it right here. That's the money shot right there. Come on, little baby. Come out. Say hi to daddy. Daddy Sebas.
God damn, how long is this bitch?
There it is broken, guys. You see the end right there? You literally see the end of it, dude. That's a long fucking bolt, dude. Yes, sir? There you go. There you go. Let me go right there. There you go. Throw that shit out of here.
A little bit down.
Oh. Oh. Let's see real quick. So there it is. That bolt broke off. As you can tell right here on the buck. That's a fucking long bolt, dude. It broke off right in the middle. So that bolt is number 2. And that is what's called a spring, right? The shift spring, external shift spring, something like that. No, what it is right there, number 2. Shifting mechanism adjust bolt. So it's to adjust it. And that shit fucking broke. So that's why it's running not good, puppy, but.
I should have opened it up.
Alright guys, so we just confirmed. We put in about half the bolt. And as you can tell now, the shifter doesn't have all of the, what are you calling it?
Slop in it?
The slop in it. You can tell, look it. Down, comes right back up. Up, comes right back down. So that's definitely the part why this Banshee wasn't shifting as it should. So you're having any issues in regards to shifting, that could be your problem. Go ahead and open up the right hand side where your clutch is and inspect that. As you can tell, we did. It took us what, Sebas? 20-30 minutes. We're gonna buy the parts right now. They're already on the way, puppy. We're gonna get this bike running. Yes, sir. Sheesh. My boy Sebas also has a Banshee now, so this is all we're gonna be doing, guys. Working on them, taking them out, enjoying them, breaking them because that's what they're for, and rebuilding them and using them again and again and again, again, non-stop, guys. So yeah, now we're gonna try fixing it. More than likely we'll buy some new parts, so this will be the end of this video. So yeah, guys, you can tell, buy a manual book, definitely advise, and go and like the video if it helped you. Fucking shit. You gotta turn your fucking motorcycle off, buddy. Try and do an outro. Yeah, guys, like the video, go ahead and subscribe if this helped you. Drop a comment down below if you guys need any help. You know, your boy Sebas, your boy Ace, we got you guys. Take care, guys. Peace. That's a fucked up ass nail. But yeah, Sebas.